Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm super excited about this month's box because of course it's all summery since it is June's box. So today's theme is like super summery. The theme is Caribbean Queen. I love this. It's got a picture of Kathleen Lights right here because her friend created the eyeshadow palette that we're getting in our box, and it's got like a list of all the products and the prices on there. But you guys know she's like one of my favorite YouTubers, so I just think that's really cute. And I'm just loving this like summer vibe going on. So yeah, anyways, so the first thing in the box is this Battington lashes. Packaging is super cute. So these are what the lashes look like. I'm not going to be trying them on today just because I'm actually not going anywhere. I just don't feel like using them right now. I'm sorry about that. I will use them in another video, so if you guys want to see them on me, it'll be coming up soon, but I just don't want to waste putting on falsies when I'm going to have to take them off shortly. I apologize for that, but I ended up having to film this video at night. But these retail for $28. I can only imagine they probably last a really long time. It says they're 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. So if you guys aren't like getting a ton of mascara or glue all over these are going to last for a while, so it's probably worth it. I can't wait to test those out on another day when I'm actually going to be, able to wear them for a few hours and see how they actually perform. So the next thing in the box is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it says that it's fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. I've heard some really great things about this, and oh my god, it honestly smells so amazing. Like, it's like so tropical smelling. I'm not very good at describing scents, but you guys should check this out because seriously, for the scent alone, I would probably purchase this, honestly. So this is a travel size. It retails for $10. So I mean, so far we've already gone like way above how much we would typically spend. I'll probably use that on my stomach, honestly, because I could tighten up my skin there a little bit, obviously, since I have a kid, But yeah, I'm going to test that out. I'll let you guys know what I think about it in like my monthly favorites once I've been able to use it for a little while. So the next thing in the box I want to get into is these Luxie brushes. I was so excited to get these in the box because I've really loved all the Luxie brushes we got, and these are full-size ones. So the first brush is the fiber powder brush. So this is like a small stippling brush kind of. I feel like this would be great for contouring. So I haven't done that yet. I'm going to do that in a second. Then we got this tapered highlighting brush, which I absolutely love tapered highlighting brushes. I only have one that I purchased from e.l.f. And I love these brushes. They're always so soft and they work great, so I'm excited. And then we have the Precision Foundation brush. This is like a weird brush, I'm not gonna lie. I normally don't use brushes like this to apply my foundation, so I don't know. I don't see how these work very well. I like the more flat top style brushes if I'm going to be using one, or I'll use a sponge, but I was thinking maybe I could put on my concealer today with this, so I have yet to apply that. So I'm going to apply some of my face makeup and let you guys know how I feel about it. We can see how these brushes work. I feel like we got a lot of stuff in the box this month. Like, I guess there's 6 products. I don't know why. I feel like that's a lot. I don't know. I feel like we got extra. Maybe it's because it came with the 3 brushes. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed by how quickly that just like blended out my concealer. Like, okay. Maybe this would work really good for foundation. In the description on the little card that we got that it can work for powder or liquid foundation. So I'm actually curious about that. I might try it out. It definitely just quickly like blended out my concealer. Now I didn't put on a lot, so I didn't get really full coverage, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere today. In another box, we got this Purr Sculptor palette. I don't know if you guys remember this from one of my other boxes, but I absolutely loved like the contour shade. So I'm going to take that Fiber Duo powder brush and just stick that in there. Okay, so that brush actually applied that like really nicely. It gave me like a nice chiseled look, so I really like contouring with that. I had to tone it down a little bit because I might have went a little heavy-handed at first. I just keep forgetting how fair I am, and it's crazy that I'm like this fair during the summer. Like, so then I'm going to go in with the tapered highlighting brush, and again using that same palette, I'm just going to go in with that highlight that I used to like so much. I don't know why, it's been a while since I picked this up. I feel like it's just because I keep picking up like different products all the time to try out. And I just have so many highlighters in my collection that I just forgot about this one. But I cannot believe I forgot about it because, oh, that looks nice. Look how wet my cheeks look. Like, I absolutely love this highlighter. Like, I'm definitely going to start picking up this palette again a lot more because I just love the contour shade and the highlight. Like, I haven't been wanting to buy any other contour shades because I just love this one so much, and I loved that brush we got in last month's box, I think. Oh my god, we just always get so many good deals with this box. I don't think I'm ever going to unsubscribe, honestly. If you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, I will leave it linked down below so you guys can do that, because literally you only pay 20 bucks and you get all this stuff. Most of you probably know that, but I know a few of you don't. The next thing we got in the box is this eyeshadow palette. I think it's called the Alamar Cosmetics. And look at how tropical that is. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my gosh, they're just like such pretty colors, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys, obviously you can tell I did swatch these. I got too excited, I couldn't wait to film it, I just had to see, and they are super pigmented, like crazy pigmented. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing today for a look, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I feel like everybody's kind of doing the same look, like everyone wants to mess around with those like green colors right there. Like, I know I really want to check them out too. Even though, like, it's kind of crazy colors for me, but, you know, it's summertime. On those days when I really want to do a colorful look, I'm definitely going to reach for this palette. I think those shades are just so pretty. I haven't actually created a look with this yet. Like I said, I just swatched the colors, and I did swatch some of the shimmer shades on my eye, although it was a little irritating because I got some of it in my eye, and that was a little agitating last night, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. They have a really pretty names to them, but honestly, guys, I'm going to butcher them if I try to say them. I just absolutely know it. I have a hard time saying names like that, which sucks, but what are you going to do? Oh, I have no idea what I want to do. I don't really want to do a simple look with it just because I have all these pretty shades in here, but I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I really want to check out that color right there, and I really want to check out this one. I don't know how it's going to look, but oh well. So I think I'm going to start off going in with this shade right here. I can't help it. It's the one I'm immediately drawn to. Trying to like wing it out a little bit there. Figure if we're going to go bold, might as well. That's so gorgeous and so pigmented already, and I didn't even put anything on this brush. Like, I did not wet my brush at all. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm just going to flip this over if I can. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to use that as my brow bone highlight and probably my inner corner highlight. I feel like that would be like a blinding color to use as an actual highlight on your cheekbones. Like, that would probably look really nice. I should have just attempted that, but I wasn't sure. In the pan, it looks like a little bit more pink. I'm going to show you guys up close what it looks like. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. I think it's so pretty, so pigmented. Like, oh, I can't get over these colors. Oh my gosh, they're just like the perfect shades for summer. Anyways, I've gone on enough about that. The eyeshadow palette only retails for $28, so that's a great deal on that. The next product we got in the box was this brown eyeliner pencil, and it retails for $5, so that's a pretty cheap product. I think I'm just going to do like the outer edges and then buff it out. It's supposed to be great for your waterline and stuff, but I don't feel like tight lining today. I know, this look would have been so much better with falsies. I know. Should have put it on. But again, I just didn't want to waste them. It's not like they're cheap eyelashes, so I just did not want to do that. The last thing in the box is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I was really excited to get this because I've been wanting to try out Ofra for a while. It seems to be like Kathleen Light's favorite. I've just heard so many people rave about this liquid lipstick. I don't think it dries down completely matte and transfer proof. I think that's why I kind of avoided purchasing it because I was so obsessed. But this is in the shade Verona. I don't know how well it's going to go with today's look, but I feel like this lipstick is something that I would really want to like use a lip liner with. I wasn't very good about lining my lips with it, but that's fine. It's like getting a little bit more matte on the lips. I don't think it's going to be transfer proof or anything, but it does feel comfortable, and it doesn't really feel like it's going to get all over my teeth. I mean, it hasn't yet. And yeah, that's it for this month's box, you guys. Honestly, I was really happy about it. I think my two favorite things were the body cream and that eyeshadow palette, of course. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm really excited to play around and create new looks with it. Okay guys, so that's everything in our box this month. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. This is the travel size version of it. So it's got the dual fiber powder brush. It's like so bad. I just like cannot talk, and I apparently can't hold on to anything either. Alamar. I think that's how you pronounce it. Look at, wait, that just went off. I like